Hello viewers, welcome to Knowledge Time. This is a channel where we share useful informations with you. Hopefully you shall like our videos. If you like our videos, please share with your friends and family. Share and subscribe our channel. If you like our channel, please subscribe and push the bell icon so you can get notification of our new useful videos. Hopefully you shall like the videos we are going to share with you. Viewers, today we are going to start a series of useful videos on Knowledge Time. We shall share the unlimited and unbelievable benefits of different edible things in our daily life. These things include vegetables, fruits, spices, herbs, plants, and many more things. Viewers, today we shall discuss the benefits of ginger with you. This is a beautiful flowering plant with stem and roots. We use its roots in our daily life. Roots of ginger contains many bioactive components, which is the primary pungent ingredient that is believed to exert a variety of pharmacological and physiological activities. The most active component of ginger is called gingerol, which is used in most of the remedies we are using today in herbal form. This is a kind of oil in ginger. Ginger is a member of plant family that also includes cardamom and turmeric. The spicy aroma of ginger is mainly due to the presence of gingerol. India and Chinese are believed to have produced ginger as a tonic root for over 5000 years to treat many ailments, and this plant is now cultivated throughout the humid tropics. Ginger was used as a flavoring agent years ago. Ginger was the most important article that was exported to Roman empires from India. Over 2000 years ago, in 13th and 14th centuries, the value of 1 pound of ginger was equivalent to the cost of a sheep. Ginger is used in numerous forms like fresh ginger, dried ginger, pickle of ginger, preserved ginger, and many other forms. At least 115 constituents are present in fresh and dried ginger, and these varieties have been identified by a variety of analytical processes. Ginger is used today a lot in food supplements as well because of its extraordinary qualities. Till discovered, ginger enhances the metabolism in our body. It have antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungus qualities. Ginger has been purported to exert a variety of powerful therapeutic and preventive effects and has been used for thousands of years for the treatment of thousands of ailments from cold to cancer. Here we shall discuss few of them in this video. We shall share more information regarding treatment in some upcoming videos. So please keep watching our upcoming videos so you can get the latest and updated information. Ginger is not only an extremely popular dietary condiment used for flavoring foods, but also an herb that has been used for thousands of years as a medicinal herb to treat a variety of diseases. Chemical and metabolic analyses have revealed that ginger comprises hundreds of compounds and metabolites, many of which have not been studied in detail yet. Ginger has been reported to possess diverse pharmacological properties, although its specific biological targets are largely unknown and remain to be determined. However, in spite of the lack of specific mechanistic information, use of ginger appears to be safe and its effects are mighty and amazing in its many applications. Here are some health benefits of ginger which are proven with many experiments. Ginger can treat many forms of nausea, especially morning sickness. Ginger appears to be highly effective against nausea. For example, it has a long history of use as a seasickness remedy. Ginger may also relieve nausea and vomiting after surgery and in cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy, but it may be the most effective when it comes to pregnancy related nausea, such as morning sickness. Although ginger is considered safe, talk to your doctor before taking large amount of ginger if you are pregnant. Some believe that large amount can raise the risk of miscarriage, but there are currently no studies to support this logic. Ginger may reduce muscle pains and soreness. Ginger appears to be effective at reducing the day-to-day progression of muscle pain and may reduce exercise induced muscle soreness. In one study, consuming 2 grams of ginger per day for 11 days significantly reduced muscle pain in people performing elbow exercise. Ginger does not have an immediate impact but may be effective at reducing the day to day progression of muscle pain. These effects are believed to be mediated by the anti inflammatory properties. The anti inflammatory effects of ginger can help with osteoarthritis. There are some studies showing ginger to be effective at reducing symptoms of osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is a very common health problem. It involves degeneration of the joints in the body, leading to symptoms like joint pain and stiffness. Ginger may drastically lower blood sugars and improve heart disease risk factors. This area of research is relatively new, but ginger may have powerful anti-diabetic properties. Ginger can help treat chronic indigestion. Chronic indigestion is characterized by recurrent pain and discomfort in the upper part of the stomach. It is believed that delayed emptying of the stomach is a major driver of indigestion. Interestingly, ginger has been shown to speed up emptying of the stomach in people with this condition. Ginger powder may significantly reduce menstrual pain. Menstrual pain refers to pain felt during a woman's menstrual cycle. One of the traditional use of ginger is for pain relief, including menstrual pain. Ginger appears to be very effective against menstrual pain when taken at the beginning of the menstrual period. Ginger may lower cholesterol level. High level of LDL, the bad cholesterol, are linked to an increased risk of heart disease. The foods you eat can have a strong influence on LDL levels. There is some evidence in both animals and humans that ginger can lead to significant reduction in LDL cholesterol and blood triglyceride levels. Ginger contains a substance that may help prevent cancer. Cancer is a very serious disease that is characterized by uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells. Ginger extract has been studied as an alternative treatment for several forms of cancer. The anti-cancer properties are attributed to 6-gingerol, a substance that is found in large amount in raw ginger. Ginger may improve brain function and protect against brain diseases. Oxidative stress and chronic inflammation can accelerate the aging process. Studies suggest that Ginger can protect against age related damage to the brain. It can also improve brain function in elderly women. The active ingredient in ginger can help fight infections. Gingerol, the bioactive substance in fresh ginger, can help lower the risk of infections. In fact, ginger extract can inhibit the growth of many different types of bacteria. It is a very effective against the oral bacteria linked to inflammatory disease in the gums such as gingivitis and periodontitis. Fresh ginger may also be effective against the RSV virus, a common cause of respiratory infection. So we can say ginger may fight harmful bacteria as well as RSV virus, which could reduce your risk of infection. Viewers, this was a short detail we have shared with you. Hopefully you shall like our video and shall watch our upcoming videos. You can get a lot of information regarding the remedies of many diseases. We shall share few of herbal treatments with our viewers in some upcoming videos. Take care of yourself, your family and your friends, and keep watching our channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.